This is my fight song. Hi, I'm Evie and I'm 8 years old. Prove I'm alright song. I like singing, playing the piano, doing lots of sport. I love swimming, and I love helping Mummy and Daddy with the greenhouse.
For the first couple of weeks of finding out Evie's diagnosis, it was absolutely devastating news. Evie's bone marrow has failed, so Evie's body will not produce red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. So because of that, that's one of the reasons why she's needing a bone marrow donor as soon as possible. With the RVI had found a donor for Evie.
It was a 10 out of 10
yeah,
as
it was
well.
a 10
Perfect.
out of 10 match. It was a perfect match for her. And we thought, yeah, this is on the up now because of such devastating news from back in May. And then from there, only last Friday, we had more devastating news.
The consultant just came into the room and said, I've got some bad news. The donor has pulled out, and not only pulled out, he's taken his name off the donor register. And it was just absolutely devastating, and Evie burst out crying because she knew, she understands, she's 8, she understands what's going on, and it was just heartbreaking.
Sometimes I'm happy. Sometimes I'm sad. Sometimes I just want to hug Will all the time, even though he didn't let me.
We're positive, we're so positive, and then next minute you can be in tears about it because she just doesn't deserve this at all. If we can get this match for Evie, it's a cure, and our 8-year-old little girl can go and live life like she should be.
'Cause I've still got a lot of fight left in me.